with the most delicious recipe for a cold, rainy day. This is horrible. I wish you can feel the cold air. Wet, windy, horrendous. Winter's here. It's a Persian dish. Woo! It's basically slow-cooked lamb shank with some kidney beans, turmeric, salt, olive oil, tomato, potato, and it's just slow cooked for hours. This has been going for nearly 3 hours. You can even soupy lamb shank, slow cooked, hearty soup, and you can see it's full of collagen, right? This bone stock coming from the lamb bone, the shank of the lamb. Oh, delicious. Can't wait to dig in. This is why I'm so grateful. I have health, I have everything, and I have winter warming soup.